Welcome to this tutorial on the AutomationEdge Surface Plugin, focusing on the Surface Actions mouse action. We'll walk you through configuring and executing a mouse actions automation workflow. Mouse action enables users to perform mouse actions on selected positions on a target image region. In the initial setup, open AutomationEdge Process Studio, open an existing workflow, or create a new one. You can create a workflow directly using Surface SPI or manually. I have created a blank workflow Surface Actions mouse actions. I will now add workflow steps manually. From the Design Navigator, drag and drop the Surface Actions step and a Start step and connect them to create a workflow. Double-click or edit to open the Surface Actions step for configurations. Enter a descriptive step name. Select a template match pattern. Optionally set template image index to select image in case of multiple image retrieval. Leave retry count at default. OCR provider is relevant for the read text action. We can skip it. Next, let's add a template image. Ensure your target application area for Surface Automation region is fully visible on screen. When Surface SPI opens, click Capture Image. Use the crosshair to select the desired region. For now, you may leave the default configurations on the right panel. Click OK. Close Surface SPI. In the Actions sections, we will add 5 different mouse actions, demonstrating its versatility. Our first mouse action is Click Toggle Button. In Actions field, click first row under Actions column. Select Mouse Action from Action List. In Action Type, select from double-click, left-click, middle-click, mouse move, right-click. In this case, we'll select left-click. Select a click position from center, right, left, top right, top middle, bottom right, bottom left, bottom or middle. To use Anchor Image, select Yes from the list. To configure Anchor and Target Image Bounds, click Select Image Bounds. In the Template Image window, click Select Anchor Bounds. Draw selection around a constant region. Next, click Target Bounds to select the region for performing mouse click. In this case, we will select the area of the toggle button. Click OK. View the captured image bounds or coordinates. Click OK. Configure the other settings. Set wait for time for any delays. Configure match pattern for anchor and target bounds or regions. Set match index if multiple matches exist. Add descriptive action information. Click on the second row for the next action. The next action is to click Radio Button 2. Configure the action type, left-click, and position center. Select the anchor and target image bounds. Click on the third row for the next action. The next mouse action is click Checkbox 2. Configure the action type, left-click and position left. Select the anchor and target image bounds. Click on the fourth row for the next action. The next mouse action is click List tab. Configure the action type, left-click and position center. Select the anchor and target image bounds. Set a suitable wait time as per system performance. Set 5 seconds for the first action. Next, add a surface action step from the designer. Configure the step and add the template image for the List tab view. Click on the first Actions row for the next action to expand Root Node 1. Configure the action type, left-click and position center. Select the anchor and target image bounds. As a pre-execution check, ensure target application is fully visible. Adjust window position if needed. Run the workflow. Watch as the Surface Automation clicks the toggle button, selects a radio button, checkbox, and the List tab. On the List tab, it expands Node 1 in the tree. Verify successful workflow completion. Here are some tips for design and execution. Streamline your surface automation and AI and automation with AutomationEdge. Contact us today.